Area I throw a salute and I don't welcome for going Pidgin. After match talk how you see. I'm beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Aston Villa 2 and Arsenal 4. We get Oga Matthew will be like saying Ogbonge person, Ogbonge Arsenal fan and football lover. They can tell us about how in see the game. Oga Matthew, now how you see your team performance today after that loss to Man City? How you see the way your team take respond today?
The truth be saying, say as a footballer, you as a team, you need to put your mind together. Even though when you don't lose your last match, you come back to your coaching, as particularly the coach. You go carry your player and let them know say where your areas where you know to make mistake, you correct them. Then when you enter this, when you look this Aston Villa match, not normally for the first half, I no lie for you. But after first half, they couldn't realize that mistake when they just scored 2 goals for first half, which was the midfield. That place where Partey waiting all day so. As Partey not did that place, so it's in your open. After when they call come back, was second Jorginho call balance to that place where called day, he block everywhere. You can look and say the game called balance. And so me, I'll be saying that we're ready for this season.
So you believe you're not ready?
Why?
So talking about whether you're not ready or not ready, how you they see the title race?
The title race, I'm not gonna lie for you, Sha. You know it's you. Normally, when you don't lose 5 points behind, when Man City don't near, anything called Man City, fear Man City. Nobody Guardiola like the fear, the Man City they fear because the team where they there, you can't get they play. They pass with me and snap players they play. Understand? So when I look the game, Shy, if Man City just conceive like 2 losses, if Arsenal figure that mentality or that center back to December, so they just stay top of the table again. Forget, we did it. The trophy, I believe, say the way Leicester take runner, if you see runner like that, we'll carry the trophy.
So to you, maybe people no come on mind for this. Make other Arsenal fans no come on mind for inside this league.
We died there now. 1995 till now, we not carry any trophy. Many years ago, we not carry trophy. Now with this season now, because say we did number 1.
Since 2004, be on our last.
I know now. You reason now. FA Cup we dey try. Now we get FA Cup back to back, but you reason now Premiership we not the number 1. If now you say your mind go tell you say this is our season. If you be Arsenal fan, the mind go tell you say this is our season. Forget say we don't lost to Man City, lost to Everton. I still believe say this season. Forget. I just get that 3 points steady. Just a go. If Man City even beat me for return leg, I know they fear Man City. But every other team might beat the other team. Now Man City must lose. Now normal. Even not Man City match today against Nottingham Forest. I believe say Nottingham Forest go worry them. But Man City, anything they run near that face, they don't use that till they play again. So the game might say anything they jam now. Now collect, just a go.
So which player be your man of the match for this match?
For this match, everybody try you, but I know life for you, sir. As far as second half when we say this, the thing all come back together. Because we realize that mistake, get a take fuck up. We should have midfield. Jorginho come play in your part, come balance well. Then Saka try. Nikita na off and on player. I know if you say na consistent striker. Then for me, na second half striker. If you leave me, say be Arteta. Na second half I go to use. I'll convert. I'll put Martinelli for top 9. I'll use the trust and take play that. Yes, just like that. Then Martinelli now they get good sense. Past last season, not be like last season. That time when they get opportunity to just miss anyhow. No, if you get 5 now, 3 or 4 now go. So I'll tell you, say Arsenal. Everybody try as a team. Now teamwork that they make team they go well. So Arsenal try.
So I want to ask you about Arsenal defense. You know, when Arsenal start the season, the defenders they play very well. Saliba, Gabriel, all of them, even Ben White and Zinchenko, tell you when he come in, they play well too. But for the last how many games, the defense don't they concede some kind goals they come. What do you get to talk about? What do you see from the defense currently?
Normally, the defense, I don't lie for you. The whole thing start after World Cup. You know, say after the World Cup, the form where those players they like those where go World Cup and those where not go World Cup. You get to, so some go not play, some go play. So even though you play or you not play, that team spirit of training, not called like before. So normally now we they keep good clean sheets. How we clean sheet before normal? Arsenal they keep the clean sheet record. Defense line okay, keeper okay. But after that World Cup, the team got begin to affect them. You know, say when you not train with your team player for a little while, a little another team training come the team this summer. But to me, if we manage, try, say at least from now to the ending of the season. But to me, I don't lie for you. Our problem now, you they use one particular player till they play that game every time. That player go retire. So when you rotate the defense line a little bit, I know to the time say we get better defender, we not get to only 3 or 4 now say we get to, unless say you convert to White now, make White play central. But White normally na central they play before. Go convert and go play two. Yeah, normally if you convert White so they play central now everything go still go well. We made those defenders Gabriel and Saliba. We fit dey rest small. You understand? That's what you just been. Everything has to be that.
So the last question I go ask you, Oga Matthew. What do you get to talk about your manager, Mikel Arteta? Because after some bad results, some Arsenal fans call the murmur. You understand? They talk go here, talk go there about the manager. You as Arsenal fan, what do you get to talk about your manager?
The truth be say, true Arsenal fan, you suppose know say, even when we get Emery as a winger, even the bad times where they dey, if you be real Arsenal fan, your mind go tell you say, every coach get bad day and good day. You understand? Even though the bad day sef, na still fine coach. Every coach wey coach Arsenal na fine coach. Every player wey play for Arsenal, I dey tell you say na fine player. Because if you tell me that player was there, I'll tell you the day when that player save Arsenal when nobody expects he go save Arsenal. You understand? As a coach, you dey try, but you need to see make in mind dey the game. Not be every time you just dey play one particular pattern of football. Change your pattern of football from beginning of the season reach now. You understand? Now you see the play till now. If you not be change, everybody knows that pattern you dey play. Now they worry Arsenal till now. So at least do small corny, just bend and small, so that at the end of the day, they don't say yes, it doesn't change small. Arteta, they try. Kudos to Arteta. At least after they lost to Man City, still try come back to this. After this, my waiting, that they win you 2-1 for first side, still come back, but this man win 2-2, or play 3-2, or win 2-4. I know it's now. He try. Na teamwork. They try.
All right, now, Oga Matthew, thank you for the people. Now, lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.